Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Eve. I post all sorts of makeup and beauty related content and also do quite a few hauls because I cannot help myself when it comes to buying things. And today's video is a haul, so if I look similar, I have just filmed my Primark haul, which will be up either before or after this one. I'm not sure what one I'll put up and when. But I thought, why not film another haul? I have been out shopping all day, hence why I've not had time to film this week. I'll just be honest, I have been so busy between placement and mum stuff and just been too busy and lazy. So why not just film these two videos? It means that you guys get content and it means I feel a bit better about myself for having done it. So sorry for the rambling on. But today's video, like I say, is a haul, and I got my parcel from Titmouse Cosmetics. This is mostly Pastel Roses stuff. I love Titmouse Cosmetics. They are a brand, a site run by and owned by the lovely Romi, and she has made it her mission to collect indie brands and kind of help support them and get their awareness out and kind of stock them on her site. So just now she has got the Pastel Roses, DW Cosmetics, she's got Guilty Cosmetics that do the brow jams, she has got House of Boo lashes, but she also, on top of stocking those amazing brands, has her own items. So she's recently came out with lip balms, and I have actually just unboxed an order a couple of days ago and I totally forgot to film it, and I should have, but I've put everything away now, so I don't want to dig it back out to, because I don't know what ones are going, whatever. But she very kindly sent me one of her lip balms now. But she also makes her own mixing palettes. Now hold on and I'll just go and show you what it's like. Okay, so mine's is covered in P. Louise paint, but that kind of helps you see how to use the palettes. But this is what mine's look like, and this is this kind of silver glitter. You can use them as coasters. They are kind of slightly heat resistant, enough for a cup of tea. You use them for makeup, so I like to use them for my P. Louise bases and stuff. I just pop them on there and then work off there. You could put foundation on to mix them. You could, whatever your heart desires. She does so many different ones, and she makes them herself. Like, she's so talented. And she also started making lash cases where it comes like a wee box and you can put like 3 pairs of lashes on it, which are amazing. I don't do that. I don't like something like that, only because I like to know what my lashes are, and if I put them in a box I'll forget. But she also sells gems as well, face gems. So yeah, a whole bunch of stuff. And very excitingly, she is in this is Kylie B's Patreon group, which I'm always also a member of, and she'd mentioned earlier on that she was confirmed that she's going to be adding 2 new brands from the site. And I says, well, Romi, I'm filming this video tonight, you're going to have to tell me what they are. So she has just told me that one of the brands is Attitude Cosmetics. I haven't tried anything from the brand personally. I will do some sort of screen recording thing here just to show you, but it is a site that do water activated liners. They have palettes. Now this is Kylie B. She uses a lot of Attitude Cosmetics stuff, and she recently won one of their competitions because she's insane. And I've been talking for so long in this introduction, but I will put a wee screenshot there because I'm so dying to try this stuff. And now that Romi's going to have them on her site, and Romi has ClearPay on her site as well, can I just say, she's got ClearPay, so even more of a reason to shop with her. And the other brand she's confirmed is Dominic Paul Cosmetics. So again, I'll put a wee screen recording of their site. She says that she's getting her highlighters and contour palettes. I will try and put some pictures up on the screen. I've never heard of that brand or tried them before, but that makes me even more excited to try them. So yeah, if you're still here, I'm so sorry about that big long introduction. Let's get into the haul. So she put a wee fragile handle with a care sticker on it, and let's see what's inside. So oh, she sent a nice wee card with my last order as well. She always does this, Romi. I keep all of these because I just think it's so special and such a nice touch. And she wrote, "Hi Evie, thank you so much for your support. Once again, it means the world. I hope you're well. Look after yourself. Love, Romi." That's so sweet. And look at that gorgeous card. Like, is that not the nicest personal touches? Like, it means the world when brands do stuff like that, doesn't it? So yeah. Also in this order I managed to order an eyeshadow that I've already got, so that'll be going in my 500 subscriber giveaway. Oh, Romi. Oh, she's given me a sponge. I don't think I ordered this. No, I didn't order this. I wouldn't have ordered a sponge, I've got so many. Isn't this lovely? So this is a House of Boo sponge. I've not been using sponges, but I have to give this a go at some point because it's a gift. Let's see this out. I have to open that up. Oh, and it's this lovely colour. I like how squidgy that is. Oh, Romi, that's so sweet. Thank you so much for giving me that. But I did purchase all this myself, other than the sponge apparently. Thank you so much, Romi. Let's start with the two loose ones. I love these chameleon flakes from the Pastel Roses, so I picked up two this time. I picked up the colour Regale. I've got nearly every one of these that Romi does, and there's so many on Pastel Roses website as well. Oh my good gosh. Wait till you see this colour. You see that? Isn't that stunning? Wow. That has got like kind of blue and purple lilac-y colours. I don't know how well the camera's showing that, but that is unreal. That is so pretty. Like honestly, I don't even use these this much, I just like to kind of look at them. Oh, they're so pretty. What's the other one? I can't remember the other one I ordered. This one is Purple Star. Purple Star? Oh, I've got a Purple Star. No. No, I don't. I get that many, sometimes I forget what I have and what I haven't, but this is so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Let's see this one. Look at that. Whoa. Careful, Eve. Look at the colours in there. You're not even seeing these properly. This is like silvery, pink, lilac. That would look really, really nice over a black base. Can you imagine like a kind of dark, grungy, and then this just down the middle or something? I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty. And then I've got a bunch of these single shadows from the Pastel Roses, and I bought one of the last remaining palettes that she was selling. Unfortunately she isn't able to get any more of these just because it is expensive for her to get in and it's not really worth her while, but I got one of the last remaining magnetic palettes to put these little beauties in. So let's just start with this bundle. And see what we've got. I need to remember and not swatch the one that I have already bought. Pretty sure it's this one, and this will be going in my 500 subscribers giveaway for if I ever get there. So first we have this colour. It doesn't say the numbers on the packet, but it does say it on the back of the actual pan, which I so appreciate because a lot of brands don't do that and it's so frustrating. This one is the colour Jupiter. It's just a gorgeous green. If you don't know, I love green. I love green eyeshadows, and this is a lovely golden green. Oh, this is pretty. This is nice. I love the one in the new Be Perfect palette, but I think I'm slightly allergic, so I'm trying to find dupes in that colour. Might be quite close. Isn't that stunning? What a gorgeous colour. Wow. Right, let's set a high standard for these other ones to live up to. Oh, this is so pretty. This is called Lilac Fusion, and that is what this one looks like. also this is a wee thing, but do you see how there's like wee dents on either side here for you to get the pan out without touching it and damaging it? It's like wee touches like that make all the difference. Look at that colour. Oh, that is so pretty. I love silvery lilac. See, there's a kind of touch of blue in there too. Right. And then we have Palm, which is another green, obviously. Oh! Right. You see that? Can you see that? Right, I am excited about this one. This is so cool. I don't have anything like this. Is it green or is it red? Oh my god. I hope this camera picks this up. Like, look. It's kind of like pinky red and then it's green. It's like pinky red, it's green. Oh my gosh. This camera is not doing this justice at all. This is unbelievable. Oh gosh. This is Beetle. See? Careful. Oh, wow. Right. So it's like blue to purple. You probably wouldn't be able to pick it up as well as me. It kind of looks more red, but oh, there you go. Kind of blue to purple. If you don't own these, like, what are you thinking? Get them. You need to get them now. This is the colour June. This isn't a duochrome. I don't think this is just a kind of orangey colour, which is very pretty. Oh, and then I've only got 2 more left to swatch after this. Did I only get 7? And when I say it's only a kind of orangey copper, like saying it's only an orangey copper is not doing it justice, because look at that colour on the bottom. Look at that warm goodness. That's pretty. It's very pretty. I'm such a creep. Then this one is the colour Hawaii, and this is a green. I don't think this is a kind of duochrome or anything. I think it's just a pretty green. A pretty green it is. It's that one down at the bottom. Tell me these aren't beautiful, because I'm not going to believe you. And then last but not least, and this is in different packaging, so maybe this is one of the kind of older formulas. Yeah, I'm assuming it is. And this is the colour Riverside. This is very pretty. This looks like a kind of purple blue colour. I just want to collect them all. Like I think I've nearly got all the ones that Romi does, and so every time I think that I've nearly got them all, she buys more in, and then I've not got them all. So I'm gonna, as soon as I've collected from Romi, there is a couple that I want to get from the Pastel Roses website. This feels very soft, this one. That's a nice formula. I don't want to put you. Oh, that's a pretty colour. I would say slightly different formula to the other ones, but it's still very, very pretty, and it's like kind of bluey purple shift. Not quite duochrome, but it definitely does have the two colours in there. So yeah, it's like me, I'm quite sad. And do you know, it's so dangerous. Every single time I do a haul with Romi at Titmouse, every single time I unbox the stuff, I put it away, and then I go straight back onto her website to buy even more, which I'm going to try and restrain myself until she gets new shades in. I'm dying for a lime twist, Romi, if you're watching this, get lime twist in. So yeah, that is that little palette. I will just show you my other palette with my other Pastel Roses palette. Why not? It is a slight shame that they're both pink. It might be a bit hard to tell between them, but this is what this one looks like. So what I'll probably do is just make one kind of like greens and the other ones, so make one like greens and blues, and then the other one can have like purples and stuff. Maybe, I don't know, but this is my two Pastel Roses palettes. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, then thank you very much. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you made it till the end, then thank you. I know I'm talking a load of shite in this video, but thanks for making it to the end. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because I would love it if you would join me on here, and stay tuned for my 500 subscriber giveaway, because I'm getting so close. As I'm filming this, I'm at 409, 410, so it's so exciting and crazy, because there will be that pigment in it, because I buy things twice. And also leave me a comment down below saying if you've ever visited Romi's site and what's your favourite product from her, be it her own products, Pastel Roses, whatever. Let me know what your favourite is. So thanks for watching. Bye.